That's not Sky. Come on, move! Yeah! Come get this instead!
This entire cinematic film, complete with lip-synced audio, was generated with zero coding. Think of it like vibe coding, but for filmmaking, just a simple text prompt, and the AI handles the rest. You do not even need to write the story. Just ask the tool for cinematic story ideas, and within seconds, you have a full list to choose from. Pick one, and it builds the entire storyboard, then turns that into a complete video package, start to finish. Hedra just launched its Agent 2, and this changes the game. It does real-time research to write the script, plans every shot, and runs the whole thing as one continuous, guided workflow, no more copy-pasting between 5 different tools. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, from reference images all the way to the final shots, while keeping everything perfectly consistent. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Head over to the Hedra website by clicking the first link in the description. By using this code, you can get 50% off for the first month. The dashboard interface is simple and clean. Clicking the plus icon lets you upload your references. Under the Skills menu, you will find several tools for images, videos, and research, including ad visuals, image animation, audience profile creation, storyboard generation, and UGC ad creation. For this video, let's use the character sheet option to build our character. I will upload this reference image and click the button. The agent gets to work, generating a prompt for a character sheet in 6 different poses: full front view, 3/4 front view, profile side view, 3/4 back view, full back view, and a natural, relaxed pose. You can adjust the image generation model, aspect ratio, and resolution. Once you are happy with the settings, click Generate, and within seconds, we have all 6 poses ready. Creating a character sheet like this is essential for maintaining character consistency throughout the entire film. We can also generate close-up facial shots to lock in the face. Just type your request, and Hedra will give you a complete prompt before generating the image. If the prompt looks good, click Generate, and here are our close-up face shots, keeping everything consistent. Download the images, and head back to the main dashboard. As I mentioned at the start, we are going fully vibe-coded, meaning we would not specify a story idea ourselves. First, I will upload our reference images. Now I will write a simple prompt telling the agent, I want to make a short, live-action style, cinematic sci-fi, and action thriller video. Here are my reference images, help me turn them into a complete story. Clicking Generate takes us to this canvas-style interface, where we get a direct short storyboard and shot list. But instead of using this right away, I will ask the agent for a few story ideas first. And here we go. 3 story ideas, each paired with real cinematic film references, which is a great way to understand the intended visual style. All 3 look solid, but this one stands out the most, so let's go with it. Clicking this button gives us a complete shot outline, shot type, visual action, camera movement, audio, lighting, and even shot duration. Based on the durations, this story feels a bit short, so I will ask the agent to expand it into 9 shots and extend the total video length to about 1 minute. Now we have a longer, more developed version with 9 shots. You can make further adjustments here if needed, but this looks good to me. So let's move on to generating the storyboard images. Choose the image model and resolution. Then click Generate All for the storyboard images. Here are our 9 storyboard shots, and they look consistent throughout. Now I will ask the agent to proceed with video generation. Clicking this button brings up a few model options. I will go with the newest one, Seedance 2.0. I will keep the aspect ratio in landscape. You can go up to 4K depending on your credit budget, but I will stick with 720p for this one. Video duration is adjusted automatically. Here is the video prompt paired with the reference image. Once everything looks good, I will click Generate for all the videos at once. And here are our output videos with solid character consistency and motion throughout. The one issue, the clips are not merged yet, so I will go back into the chat and ask the agent to keep the clips connected, using each previous clip as a reference for the next one with a smooth cut, and to extend the clip durations rather than sticking rigidly to the original timing. Before generating the final versions, I will also ask it to add lip-synced voice dialogue.
That's not Sky. Come on, move! Get back! Yeah! Come get this instead! Don't look back, don't look back! Come on! Come on! I made it.
These look significantly more polished and impressive. Take advantage of this tool with the 50% off discount coupon in the description. Perfect for your next project. So, what do you think of these results? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.